Hello, everybody. You know what time it is?
I'm afraid to ask.
It's 5 o'clock.
Yeah?
It's always 5 o'clock somewhere.
That's really bad.
You know why I say that?
No.
Because I like mine with lettuce, tomato, french fries, you know?
That's really bad. He
He's
thinks he's Jimmy Buffett. Anyway, well, welcome. My name's...
Cheeseburger in paradise.
Shut up. My name's...
Oh, come on.
My name's Melinda Coletta.
That was a good job.
I married you? You convinced me to marry you?
That's right. Hey.
This is my husband, Phil Griffin. Together, we're Professor Chef, and we teach you how to play with your food. So tonight is a flavor bomb of a burger. We're going to be making a Vietnamese pork burger, and he wouldn't let me buy buns last night, so we have to eat it on lettuce.
Let us begin.
Lettuce. Oh my God. Oh
you started it.
No, please. Please cook. You don't know, you're not a comedian, so cook.
All right. So here we have, actually we have ground pork. If you cannot find ground pork, a sweet sausage meat would suffice. To that, we are going to be adding some, I had the sifter here.
The sifter.
Preheat. You got me all screwed up because
he's blaming me. I can tell, like in his head.
You made me shift today.
Oh, pivot. That's the word now. Pivot.
So this is star anise.
Star anise, and so we ground it up, but I will show you when he sifts that in what it looks like. And I don't know if we can get really, really good in that, but it's got little seeds in it, and it smells so much like licorice.
Yeah.
And if you know, I hate to see people buy like a huge thing, but if you go to like the Hispanic aisle where the spices is, I think the name, it begins with a B, Bayada or something. It's in a little packet. You can get 2 or 3 of these. That's all you need. So you're not overbuying. And what are you putting in there?
That was garlic.
That was garlic.
Yeah, and some ginger.
Ginger. No Marianne?
No Marianne.
Hey,
you stole my line. You stole my line.
So we're using fresh garlic and fresh ginger. Please don't do that.
I need a spoon.
So these are our emergency tubes. So this is ginger. This one happens to be cilantro. They've got garlic.
We actually looked up pretty yesterday going to the market.
Yeah, we did. We try not to go often because we're in the pandemic of 2020. But anyway, these are our emergency herbs and spices.
So brown sugar goes in here. I'm making another song. Some soy sauce. Let's talk about soy sauces. Please.
So we're not fans of La Choy and the Kikkoman. We find that they're just really salty. They're not very flavorful. And these are, I believe this is Laotian or Thai. This is a golden seasoning sauce. And this is a mushroom soy.
You've seen us use these in other, the satay recipe.
So we're not that popular. They don't watch every video.
All right.
But anyway, so this is what we like. Because it's flavor, it's salt, but it's not overly salty.
A little bit of heat.
So we're going to use a little bit of sriracha or, you know, just any sort of hot sauce you got around. Even Tabasco we do, right?
Yeah, I'd rather I don't want like the Tabasco heat. I'd rather have a cayenne or something like that. Yeah.
Okay.
And a little bit of peanut butter.
So there's a thing about Chef Phil. He hates nuts. He loves peanut butter, but he hates nuts. Personally,
well, like chimichurri too, you know.
Personally, I would like this with a chunky peanut butter, not the smooth peanut butter, because I'd like the texture of the chunks, and he doesn't like that.
All right, so I'm going to clean this off with my fingers.
Oh my God, he did wash his hands, I promise
yes.
you. And now you're gonna
mix it all together.
Now
when you're making a burger, you make a burger, you want to mix this extremely well. Opposite.
Yeah.
When you make a burger, you want to mix it loose. When you're making a meatloaf, you want to make it extremely tight. Burgers are loose because if they're loose, they're easier to eat, they're more tender.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Well, I don't eat burgers unless they're pork.
I don't eat burger.
Eat beef, so. No, I'll eat this one, but in the black bean burger, that's true. I do.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. They've seen the black bean burger.
Like I said, we're not that popular.
I just tell you.
We're not Emerald.
Listen, you told me that I have to do jumps so you can post those little cards up in
jumps.
YouTube's. You know the whatever.
Oh, you mean suggesting recipes so we can put them up here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can suggest a whole bunch more if you want me to.
No, it's okay.
I think this is a piece of.
Oh, the anise.
No, it's actually brown sugar.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that looks pretty good. All right, so I want to wash my hands even though they're very sticky, and I'm going to be using them again. That peanut butter is very sticky.
Yeah, the peanut butter is very sticky. So, do you want me to preheat the pan for you?
Please, thank you, my love.
Okay, I got it on 5.
Yeah, go ahead, higher.
Okay. So, normally when we cook, we do use stainless steel. You wanted to use this tonight. This is light cast iron. So this is cast iron. It's thinner, and you got a stainless handle, so it's not as heavy to carry around.
So we're just make the ice cream scoop, make a little patty. If your hands are wet too, things don't stick as much.
Yeah, it does help a lot. So he's using. Oh, you want a little bit of? There we go. This was just canola oil. We used only canola oil and olive oil, but the reason we use canola is because canola, we are sure that there's no soybean oil. So when you're using vegetable oil, sometimes that can be 100% soybean, and soybean is a big allergy problem for us. So that's why we choose to use the canola. These are sliders.
Yeah, you can use those Hawaiian buns.
Well, you wouldn't let me buy them last night.
I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about the audience that might be watching us.
Okay.
Or listening to us. Actually, they're watching us, aren't they? We're not radio.
No, we're not radio. We're not even TV, but... Oh my God, it smells so good.
All right. So let those cook.
So we're going to make a...
dressing.
A condiment for the top of them, and that's going to be another flavor bomb. That's a good thing.
May I have my knife, please? Breaking hungry. So in here we have some basil and we have some cilantro. Talk about cilantro.
So when we buy cilantro and we bring it home, we like to you want to treat this like flowers, okay? It's got the stems are all cut, so we put it in a glass of water and stand it up. The other alternative you can do is wrap it in a damp paper towel very, very loosely. You can put it in a plastic bag, but leave it open, and you can get a pretty long shelf life out of delicate herbs. But
all right, so we put the cilantro and basil in there.
I'm gonna flip these.
Flip them, yeah.
Why do I know how to flip them? Why am I flipping them?
Because if you don't flip them, they're gonna burn.
They go a little bit. I didn't really.
We got a little bit of onion in there. The cilantro and basil.
There you go. Orange from this guy.
I did already.
Oh, you did? Sorry.
And a little bit of mayonnaise.
It's not Duke's.
No. We didn't make it either.
Nope, we didn't make it. Did we make mayonnaise?
There was something we were making that needed mayonnaise, and I made it.
Yeah.
I can't remember what it was.
So,
and a little bit of lime.
Oh yeah. We couldn't find limes last night, and this is...
We could, but we had this...
This is reconstituted, so we're not really thrilled about it, but yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. I think I'm gonna...
This would definitely taste better if you let it sit and the flavors meld, so you could make this topping a day ahead of time.
Yeah. Put these up inside.
I think they're ready.
I know they're ready, so I'll show you off.
You taste it, the sauce. There's a spoon there if you want to taste it.
Yeah, thank you. I'm getting...
There's the salt.
Salt. That's salt and chef speak. There you go.
I I need to do the back side.
He's not double dipping.
Not better. A little better.
So that brought the lime up and the cilantro and the basil. Just kind of brighten it up just a little bit. Nice. How cute. Little mini sliders.
A little bit of topping. A little bit of fresh herb.
Oh wow, you never do that. Wow, very good.
Looks pretty good.
Do we get to taste the burger? You know, taste the whole thing all together. Mo better, mo better, mo better. Do you like it? You did a good job? You're proud of yourself.
The peanut butter, the soy sauce.
Yeah.
The tanginess of the topping. It's an unbelievable.
It really is. We do a burger. Well, I don't eat a lot of beef, but we do a couple of other burgers in there. But that's my favorite. That we don't do beef. So tomorrow,
we're playing with bugs.
I know. I'm so excited.
Lobsters for you guys that don't speak Rhode Island.
So we have 2 lobsters, and he's going to show you how to break it open. We bought them steamed. We went to Shaw's, and they put them in the steam oven, and then we bring them home. The steamer, and we bring them home. It's the best way to have lobster. And you can, usually you can get it home. It's still hot, but we're going to be making a lobster. I want to call it a lobster roll, but he wouldn't let me buy the bread, so we have to call it lobster salad.
No problem with that.
Anyway.
And I'm not going to use mayonnaise in this one.
Okay. So so that's the lobster roll, and then Thursday is
salsa.
All right, we're gonna make homemade salsa that we can do dippy dips, and then Friday is strawberry shortcake.
We're still noodling out. Is it going to be a biscuit, or is it going to be pound cake?
Or sponge?
No sponge.
Like sponge. Or biscuit.
When was the last time anybody made a sponge cake?
Cindy Silvano makes them all the time.
She's a pastry chef.
She is. She's really good too. Anyway, all right, you done?
Love you, yeah.
I can't stand your guts. All right, so we'll see you tomorrow night live at 5. Bye-bye.